Hi, I'm Bailey with Rogue Dent Repair at Classic Honda of Midland. Here at Rogue Dent Repair, we specialize in paintless dent repair, auto body work, windshield repair. I'll introduce you over here to our paint booth if you want to follow me. So right now we are standing in the middle of our state-of-the-art downdraft paint booth. This is an Ultra 2000 blow-therm paint booth. This paint booth can accommodate anything from a compact car to a dually truck. This paint booth was imported from Italy. It is the only paint booth certified to work on Ferraris. While your vehicle is getting repaired with us, be sure to remember that we do offer rentals as well as work with all insurance companies. Now that I have showed you our paint booth, if you want to follow me, I'll show you our PDR base. We're standing here in the PDR bay. As you can see, the guys are hard at work. As you know, here in the Permian Basin, we are no stranger to hail damage. Our guys can fix anything from small dents to door dings to hail damage as well. Behind me is our detail bay. We do everything from small washes to a full detail. Thank you for watching this video. Classic Honda is located at 3705 West Wall Street in Midland, Texas. For more information, you can visit us at www.classichondaofmidland.com and you can click on the body shop tag and all of our information will be there.